Good morning. I hope everybody had a great Christmas with their families. So today I'm gonna use a different serum for my face, and it's called pineapple. This smells really good. It smells like actual pineapple. So I grabbed a little bit of this and put it in my, like maybe 3 or 4 drops. I think. And I don't know where you guys are, but where you guys are at, but over here where I live, it's like 32 Fahrenheit, and it's very extremely cold. And I'm gonna use my cover up with my sponge, and it's gonna be, I'm gonna do 2 pumps, 1, 2, if I can, okay. Put it back, and then look at this. Okay, it's cold here, but where I live is cold and the sun is out, so it makes no sense. Where I live is crazy because like sometimes it's cold, and then it's hot, then it rains, then it shines again, and we had just a crazy weather where I live over here. But I mean, I like it. I like where I live. It's really nice. It's quiet, not too much noise, and it's just great where I live over here. It's really great place to live. But we do have a little, where I live, like there's a lot of coffee stands, like, you know, we have more Starbucks than 7-Eleven, and it's just how much coffee, like coffee shops we have over here is crazy. I think we just live in coffee over here where I live. It's crazy. And I'm just going to use this eyeliner. This eyeliner is really good. I love it. So going to, sorry if I'm a little bit off. Gotta do this eye. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of eyeliner. Like, I don't go to the extreme of eyeliner. Excuse me. So I was saying that we have a lot of Starbucks shops, and it feels like we just run on coffee all day around here. It's crazy. So I'm gonna use this big Eggo from Tarte, and this is really great mascara. Look, see? and I hope you guys have a great Christmas. I sure did. We had a lot of food at my mom's on the 24th. And then yesterday at my sister's, we had lasagna that my sister-in-law made. It was so good. And then we had some drinks, you know, adult drinks. It was good. The kids opened their presents. We did Secret Santa. And I asked for the day off on my job today. So I'm here with my husband and my kids today, spending time with them. But I hope you guys had a great Christmas with your families, which is important to do. Be with your family, spend time with your family, give them your all. So here's this. So last video I didn't show you guys my setting spray, but I love using Morphine setting spray and smells so good, and it's really awesome. I love it. And my body refresher is this one from Victoria's Secret, from Pink, but it smells so good. I recommend you guys to girls. This one is really good. It smells so good. You're gonna smell good throughout the day. It smells really good. So I'm going to, okay, so I'm gonna use this blush from Milani, and it's this number, with this brush. I like these brushes. My brother gave them to me last year for my birthday. They're really nice. So I just do a little bit like this, and then like this. I mean, this look right now is just, I say, simple. It's not raining today, but it's cold outside, and I really don't do too much makeup. Like, I don't really like to put a lot of makeup on, just a little bit. Okay, so now I'm gonna set my Morphine setting spray. And just let it sit for a while. Okay, so I'm going to take this off. So I'm just going to do here too. Well, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day and have a good time, whatever you're doing. See you next video.